What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Green Rhino Project. Like, subscribe, comment. Let's clean. Alright guys, we're doing a full pet treatment for this home. Customer booked online. Estimate was a little off as far as room. It's just a short one room. Because it's kind of a weird setup, this home. But as soon as I walked in, yeah, I could smell like top off pet down there. Plus, you can see the stains. So I already sprayed that room. So yeah, you can see. So this is the Airbnb. Yeah, I guess he found me online. We're in the Central Coast here, so a lot of wine tasting and stuff like that. So Airbnb is kind of a big thing here. Bathroom. You don't always see carpet in bathrooms. But at least it's not around the toilet itself. Yeah. Two rooms kind of connected to each other. It's interesting. So whenever we do a full pet treatment, we do CRB everything, scrub everything into the carpet. That way it takes care of the odor part of it. Stings, no problem. Odor, you need to make sure you get a good agitation so that chemistry works well. And this is the last one, pool table area room. So how I do my pet treatment, guys, is I boost my pre-spray. Okay, the chemistry's on. Now that's what I'm doing full pet treatments. If I'm just doing spots and stuff, it's different. It's probably the typical way that you usually see carpet cleaners do it. But this way I don't miss anything. So what I do is go through here and, get a nice moderate pre-spray everywhere. Make sure I mixed up enough. I don't want to run out too soon. And then, once I've hit everything, then I'll go back through here and hit the darker areas a little bit more. Okay. So this is a little trunker room right here. Oh, see, perfect mix. About to run out here. move that. And it was this last little bitty room right here. All right, I gotta finish this. Stay tuned. All right, so I used the backpack sprayer. I put that on my back. You know, it makes pre-spraying really effortless. Without straining out one of your arms. That's why I do it. Plus, I can get 4 gallons in there and the PSI on that thing. It's a flow zone, by the way. I did get some questions recently about it, and I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. So as you can tell, after she's scrubbing everything, all the stains are gone already. It smells a lot better already too. Yeah, stains are gone. Yeah, stains are gone. Cool, so we're just alternating, right? So, so now I'm gonna go behind her, start rinsing. But stay tuned. Oh, that's my protein vacuum right there. Yeah, always vacuum first, guys. Always. If you're on a budget, a Shark, you get them at Walmart. Those things work good. All right, no guys, that's all they use. You know, and they have plenty of money to get a protein if they wanted to. But they use Shark and they like it. So I just don't like Shark because you don't have the width. It takes longer to vacuum. This protein it's awesome. Look how long that is. Cut right through a job real quick with that. All right, I'm gonna get started. Oh yes. If you aren't using corner guards, you're really dropping the ball. Not only does it protect the customer's home, it also makes you look extra good. You know, many times I get the compliment from my customers saying, well, I've never seen those, you know. That's pretty cool. Just a quick shout out to Green Rhino Academy. All my students, I got over 1,000 students, 1,050 something students to date, and yeah, it's a blessing that I'm able to help people improve their life financially. And for everybody who follows me on YouTube, has been following me for years, I greatly appreciate you. And yeah, you know, sometimes it's tough to get behind the camera and start recording, you know, especially when you get busy. But I'm trying to get some in for you guys. I want to be consistent, once or twice a week. And for the new members, see, I just started taking members on my YouTube channel to help with the income, because I don't get much from this, guys. You only get a lot if you got like 500,000, 100,000 subscribers, and I'm far from that. But yeah, I'm taking members now, guys. So go ahead and subscribe to become a member of my channel. $2 a month is, you know, come on. It will really help me out, though. Okay, guys. So doing some rinsing. You know, the thing about this business is the instant gratification. You know, and being able to help somebody. You know, save money, make the place healthier again. It's a gratifying business. results for you here. Smells so much better in here now, nice and fresh. A little bit of eucalyptus smell. No more stains. Customer will be happy. It's really was about time for those carpets, you know, because everywhere, the whole rest of the place was really nice, you know. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Go ahead and mop our way out of here, like always. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. If you're looking for some training, some carpet cleaning business training, if you want to build your business right, the right way, your odds of success are huge compared to just winging it. I got some links down below the window, below the video. Links below the window. I was looking at that, I think, when I said that. Or I'm losing my mind. Anyway, links below the video. And yeah, I got you for that, man. I got over 1,000 students and changed a lot of people's lives. And well, they tell me. All right. See you in the next one. Maybe we should play some darts for, nah, that's not right.